Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Nutella smoothie. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe banana, ideally frozen, 2 generous tablespoons of rich Nutella, and 1 cup of your preferred milk. Don't forget about 1/2 cup of ice cubes to achieve that perfect frosty consistency. This combination ensures a wonderfully creamy and flavorful treat. Now, let's get blending. Carefully add your frozen banana, Nutella, milk, and ice cubes into your blender. Make sure the lid is securely fastened to prevent any spills. Begin blending on a low setting, gradually increasing to high speed. Continue blending for about 30 to 60 seconds, or until the smoothie reaches a perfectly smooth and uniform texture. If needed, pause and scrape down the sides. The beauty of homemade smoothies is customizing the consistency. If your smoothie is too thick, simply add an extra splash of milk, perhaps 1/4 to 1/2 cup, and blend again until it reaches your desired drinkable texture. For a thicker, more indulgent shake, toss in a few more ice cubes and blend until smooth. Always taste test and adjust sweetness with a touch more Nutella if you like. Your delicious Nutella smoothie is now ready. Carefully pour the creamy mixture into your favorite glass. For an extra touch of indulgence, you can drizzle a little more Nutella on top or add a dollop of whipped cream. Serve it immediately to enjoy its frosty, rich flavor and perfect consistency. This quick and easy recipe makes a fantastic treat any time of day. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.